Hello friends, welcome to Beena's Family Kitchen. Today we will learn how to prepare beef pepper fry. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos with your family and friends. So now let's see how to prepare the tasty and delicious pepper fry. I have taken here 1 kg meat and 2 onions are sliced very thinly, 1 piece of ginger, it will be around 1.5 tablespoon, it is chopped, and 15 pods of garlic and few green chilies. Now we will first marinate the beef. For that we will take 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric and 2 teaspoon salt. Mix the meat well and keep it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes are done. Now we will pressure cook the meat for 4 to 5 whistles. For that we will add the chopped ginger, half part of it, and chopped garlic also, half part, and 2 green chilies slit. Also we will add 1 tablespoon of sliced onion that we had sliced and kept. Now in order to cook the meat faster, what we will do is add 2 secret ingredients, and that is fenugreek seeds, a pinch, and mustard seed 1 teaspoon. So when we add these 2 items, it gets cooked faster. To cook this, we will add 1 glass of water. So let's pressure cook it. We will see the spices to be added. I have taken here 2 bay leaf, 3 cardamom, 2 cloves, 1 small piece of nutmeg, and a piece of cinnamon stick, and 2 teaspoon of fennel seeds. The cinnamon sticks we will make it into pieces, and the nutmeg and cardamom we will crush and add it. I have kept a kadai. Now we will pour oil. We will take around 4 to 5 tablespoons. First we will add on a low flame, fry it till the raw smell goes off for 30 seconds. Now we will add the ginger, garlic and the chilies. Saute it for 1 minute. Now we will add the sliced onions to our mixture. Stir this till the onions are translucent. We will fry this till it is soft and golden in color. Another technique is, in order to fry the onions faster, we will add here 1 teaspoon of salt and then fry it. You can see the onions have become nice golden in color. It should not become too dry. And always remember, when you add salt to the meat, add little less because we are adding salt over here also. As we are making beef pepper fry, so of course our main ingredient is black pepper. I have taken here 2 tablespoons. Now we will crush it lightly and add to our onions. I have crushed the pepper. Now we will add it to our fried onions. Now to this we will add 4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will stir this till the raw smell goes away. Our meat is cooked very well. It is nice, soft and tender. Now we will add this to our onion mixture. Now we will cook this on a very high flame till the water gets evaporated. You can see the water is evaporated. Still it has to be more dry. So we will stir it continuously at this point, keeping the flame on high. In between also I had stirred it. Also now we will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, which is home prepared. We will add 2 teaspoons, not 1. Stir it nicely till it is completely dry. Now our beef is dry very well. So now we will add a few curry leaves and stir it. And now we will transfer our beef pepper fry into a serving bowl. So our beef pepper fry is ready. You can enjoy it with chapati, naan, paratha or rice.